Hello friends, this is Gary, a tennis import and export manager. Today we will talk about the shoe cover. I think everyone using this shoe cover when you go to your friend's home. This shoe cover widely used in home or business place. Let's check the offer. We are offer based on the different materials like PE materials, CP materials, PP materials. If you do not know what's the difference between those materials, you can contact me. I will show you. All the price based on the cartons. Another is same. The package, lead time, report, Incoterms, validity times, our free inspection service, our payments. Okay. So if you want to buy this shoe covers, contact me using this information to contact me, or go to our website. Okay, please help me to click the like buttons and subscribe our channels to support us. Do not miss any real-time price offer. This will encourage us to make more videos. Okay, see you next product videos.